Please come forward, Kimberly.
Oh my God.
Kimberly!
Rebecca tried to pull a trick on me and give me a stinky cheese, but being Gen X, I was creative, and I'm thinking, Gen X, we're gonna take this all the way to the win. I made an aged duck breast served with a Stilton chive mashed potato with a blueberry orange sauce and a prosciutto chip.
Kimberly, it looks good. Just like the cook on the duck. This looks delicious. Really good job.
Thank you.
Let's try it. So what's this supposed to look like in the middle?
It's supposed to be a medium rare.
Let's see how you did.
Oh gosh. Oh,
Ooh.
not so bad.
Very good job.
Kimberly, you're a technically sound cook, and I think you respect ingredients like nobody else in this kitchen. Your potatoes are fantastic, and the duck is so beautifully cooked. Good job.
Thank you.
That marmalade was the highlight of the dish because it's super balanced, not too acidic, taste of fruit.
Thank you. Thank you.
Kimberly, duck is delicious. I think the mash could have done with a bit more Stilton in there.
Okay.
But it's accomplished cooking. A really good job.
Thank you so much. Good job, Kimberly! Oh my gosh, you guys.